Look at the exact center of your screen right now, because in the next 3 minutes, I am going to give you the exact biological protocol used in high-performance training to permanently fix your broken attention span. No courses to buy, no fake motivation, just the pure neuroscience of the oculomotor system that you can test on yourself the second this video ends. You know exactly who you are. You sit down at your desk, ready to crush your goals and build your future, but you open your phone for just 1 minute to relax, and you completely lose an hour. You feel distracted, you feel guilty, and you tell yourself you just lack discipline. Motivation is not your problem. You are overstimulated. Stop scrolling. Your brain is trapped in an endless loop of cheap dopamine, engineered by tech companies to keep you weak, distracted, and perfectly average. Every single day, your eyes rapidly jump from one flashing post to another, actively training your mind to be highly distractible. You are daydreaming about success, but you are scrolling your life away. But here is the truth that changes everything. Visual focus is cognitive focus. Where your eyes go, your mind follows. That sniper protocol I promised you earlier? It specifically targets the physical bridge between your eyes and the discipline center of your brain. Elite athletes and grandmasters do not have magical willpower. They have simply trained their visual endurance. So here is your clear, immediate action step to kill the brain fog and take your power back today. Before you sit down to do any real work, find a single, tiny dot on your wall, or look at the exact tip of a pen. Lock your eyes dead center on that target, and stare at it for 60 solid seconds. Do not let your eyes dart around. Do not look away. Your mind is going to absolutely scream at you to check your phone because it is starving for a quick hit. Fight it. Deny the urge. Command your eyes to stay locked. Most people will actually fail this the first time they try it. But in that 1 minute of intense, deliberate stillness, you are physically forcing your brain out of its chaotic state and dropping it straight into razor-sharp control. That discomfort you feel? That's your brain fighting to stay distracted. You are actively repairing your dopamine circuits and proving to yourself that you are the master of your own mind. You have a definitive choice to make today. You can keep lying to yourself in your fake imagination, or you can train your visual focus and actually execute. The entire world is completely distracted. Focus is your unfair advantage now.